Alright, just going to do a run through real quick. Show you the set list. 200 cards in the base list, so your Diamond Kings, rated rookies, veterans, and all-stars. Your veterans are just the base cards. So you got your Diamond Kings, rated rookies.
I'm here with a couple of Diamond Kings.
Okay, that's Drew.
Hey.
You hear Drew over there?
Hi.
We got Drew in the house. Kyle's in the house checking out some cards with us.
What's up?
I'm Fred. Nice to meet y'all. Thank y'all for taking part and joining us today. There's your veteran, so that's just your base card. And then you've only got four of these All-Stars cards. Mike Trout, Yelich, Acuna, and Javier Baez. I'm going to sleeve those All-Stars cards for you. And then I'll run through the inserts real quick. Have not seen one of these. These are, I'm assuming, extremely rare because I've opened quite a few boxes of this and never seen one. Pretty cool insert, though. Fort Knox. Mythical. Illusions. Rated prospects. The what's the 86? Yeah, the 86 Donruss. Stained glass. Stars and stripes. I haven't seen one of those either. Also of note, I'm sure most of you guys have probably opened or seen quite a few breaks of this stuff anyway, but there are 30 different parallels of the base cards, and most of them are numbered. All right, got that out of the way.
What's the what'd you say is the big hit for this pack?
The big hit. Oh well, so you can go with that by prices of like the teams that are sold, and for Optic, the White Sox.
Very cool.
Yeah,
so I guess we're looking for
there's some
there.
there's
Luis Robert.
Some Luis Robert in there. I pulled some cool Wander Franco stuff from here.
Nice.
Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff in here. This is a really cool set.
Stars and stripes.
The Stars and Stripes cards are awesome.
This is the day.
I hope so. Or Fort Knox.
Mm-hmm.
We got four people on. So we'll go ahead and we'll get rolling. Awesome. Thank you.
The big Jack Betty is on mine.
Tyler's on. Yeah, Tyler bought a couple teams. I think Tyler got the Cardinals finally.
Wait, Tyler bought a couple teams?
Uh-huh.
That's the biggest shocker I've ever heard in my life.
Alright, we're going to do what we did with the blaster break we did. We're going to set these aside and we'll open all these base packs first and the bonus packs second.
That's a good plan. You said I like it.
For those who are on, we've got on our eBay, we've got another break that's going to end tonight, about the same time that this one, that these listings ended last night. Probably around 10 o'clock, those will start rolling off. It's for tomorrow. We're going to open 10 Panini Prism blaster boxes.
One of my favorite sets all time.
So we'll be opening. That is a cool set. We'll be opening those tomorrow. I think 1 o'clock is when we've got that scheduled for. But those listings on eBay end tonight around 10 p.m. Central Time. And then tomorrow, also after that break ends, some new listings for breaks next week will go up on eBay. So I'll send out some notifications on Facebook and Twitter about those.
We hope to see you all there. We sure do. So how many packs are we opening today, Kyle?
Let's see, you get 8 packs per box, and we got 5 boxes. What we got? So plus the bonus pack, so that's 9 times 5, so 45 packs.
Hell yeah, dude. 45 smacking packaroos. I'm just going to tell y'all at home, buckle up, buckaroos. It's going to be a hell of a
Buckaroos. New South Park will start soon, right?
Well, it's got to be, surely. It's coming around that time. Got to be coming up before you know it.
All right, oh, we got 10 people on now. All right,
Yeah, numbers are great.
I can't see who is on. So if you don't mind, post a message, post a comment, let us know what teams you have. That way we can we can take an extra second on any hits that you get today. Of course, there are five autographs, or there should be anyway, 5 autograph cards coming out today. So just post some comments. I can see your comments. Post those for me. That way I can see what all you got. Also, before we get started, just to let you know, I don't think that that's an issue with this set. I don't think there are any questionable calls with cards, but just in case, if there are any questions as to what team somebody belongs with or like what team the card goes to, we're going strictly by the Beckett website. If you go to the Beckett checklist, it'll show the team sets. So whatever that card is listed under, whatever team that card is listed under on there, is what we're going to do. So, of course, if we pull like a Montreal card talking about the Expos, that'll go to the Nationals. So just things like that. Always go with that. And if there are any multiple player cards that don't have a majority belonging to one team, of course, we'll do the random.org deal with that. Let's see. Jeff Wicker, no team, just being nosy. Nice. Don't blame me for that.
Good to have you, Jeff.
Ryan. Oh, Ryan Musselman got quite a few. Nats, Indians, Royals, Tigers, Padres. Taylor got the Brewers and Giants. A Dubon auto, please. I know somebody that pulled one of those the other day, actually. If you'll shoot me a message, I will put you in touch with him, assuming you don't get one here. But if you're interested in talking to that person, I can get you hooked up with them, Taylor. Just let me know.
Hey, what's up, Jeff, Ryan, and Taylor? Good to see you guys. Hopefully we'll pull some good stuff.
Hopefully. All right, let's get rolling. All right, Willie Castro rated rookie. Try to get the light right here for you. Let me flip this lamp. Okay, that didn't really help much, but that's all right. It helped a little. All right, Willie Castro rated rookie.
Cool card.
Austin Meadows Diamond Kings. And there's a Bo Bichette stained glass insert.
Very nice.
All right.
Boba.
Nice one. I'm going to sleeve all the inserts for you.
Yeah, you guys don't have to worry. We're taking real good care of it.
Real good.
Real good?
Real.
Real good. Real nice.
Travis DeMeritt rated rookie. And there's a Jorge Polanco refractor. What do they call those refractors under the ear? Hollows, I'm sorry. It's Panini Donruss. It's a hollow. It's not a refractor. But there you go. Minnesota, nice hit. Huh. Nice 2-in-1 pack. 2 inserts in 1 pack there. I like that.
That's cool.
Burt Blyleven 86 insert.
Love me some Burt Blyleven, one of my all-time favorites.
Charlie Blackmon base. Or veteran, sorry.
I like that they taking care to like make every card so you can
Everything has its own deal yet. There's a Bo Bichette rated rookie. Fernando Tatis Jr. Diamond Kings.
Tatis.
Man, the way he's been playing, I'm just assuming that's a hit. I'm gonna sleeve that one for you. George Brett Hollow 86 Donruss. Nice. And a Verlander veteran.
Pretty sure the way he's playing, I'm gonna assume that's a hit.
Yeah, that's just everything. Okay, all right. I think we got the auto here.
Uh-oh.
Move it to the back. There's a Joey Bart rated prospect
What's
insert.
up, Joey?
The rated prospect is an insert. Rated rookie is part of the base set. Javier Baez veteran. Lewis Thorpe rated rookie. And make sure I'm turned over on the right side here. And what do we have? We got a Paul DeJong highlights.
Oh man.
Red. Okay. Red is... That's an on-card auto also.
Wow.
Red is out of 35. It's 14 out of 35.
Jeez.
So, Cardinals, Tyler Jackson, I believe that's you, man. Nice hit, on-card auto.
Quite.
Red.
Impressive.
Beautiful. Guys, give me just a sec to sleeve that up.
Yeah, Tyler, I really appreciate you trading me that card. That's great.
That feels like something Tyler would like give to his children in 9 months. No, I'm just kidding, Tyler. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, man. Don't do it. No, I'm just kidding. Kids are right.
We don't push any certain agendas here. None of that, brothers. No. None of that. What a
There
cool
you
card,
go. Nice hit, Tyler. Nice hit.
Pretty sexy.
Yeah, nice shit, Tyler.
Very sex.
Very six.
All right.
Yeah, nice shit, Tyler. Nice shit. Tyler sends 3 kissy faces as well as 3 of this emoji.
Yeah. Donnie Walton.
There you
Rated
go.
rookie. There's a Miguel Cabrera Diamond King. A Jason. We'll stick with Jason. Forget the second S. Rated prospect. Nice insert there. And Cody Bellinger.
No one's impressed with you.
Jason. Acuna Jr. All-Stars. Hey, Mallory. Drew's wife Mallory's in the house.
Living it up. She's not feeling good. Everybody press F in the chat for Mallory. Yes, I sure can.
Brian Anderson Diamond Kings Hollow. Nice find for the Marlins. There's a Dylan Cease The Rookies insert. And Ronald Acuna Jr.
I like that Brian Anderson card.
That's pretty nice.
It's my favorite so far. And yeah,
Oh.
even over the Paul DeJong.
Andres Munoz, rated rookie. Poor guy. Hope he feels better next year. Zach Gallen, rated rookie. And there's a hollow Chris Bryant stained glass insert. Nice. Good hit for the Cubs. And there's Jorge Polanco base.
Hey Fred, can I ask you a question?
Okay, what's up?
So I know that each one of these mega boxes is guaranteed an auto.
So it says like 1 per box. So yeah, we could get an extra, or we could not get one at all. Yeah, I haven't seen that happen yet.
Well, I mean, I'm
But-
just being greedy, obviously. I
Well,
want these people to have a good time. I
yeah.
want them to get good hits. So.
Trey Mancini Diamond Kings, Matt Tice rated rookie. Keston Hira Illusions, not hollow, just the insert. Still a really cool card. Bryce Harper base. Let's see, we are into the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, okay, so now we're starting the second box worth of packs. Chris Bryant base. Chris Sale. And an Austin Meadows hollow illusions. Very cool card. Judge Diamond Kings.
Big hollow Austin.
Drew, what you cooking, man?
Making some oatmeal for my wife. Like I said, she's not feeling good, so press F in the chat for Mallory.
Got the auto out of this pack here, so we'll just go ahead and move that on around to the back.
Uh-oh. Excited.
All right, we got a Bobby Witt Jr. rated prospect.
Who's that?
That's an insert. Gonna sleeve that one for you all, of course. Gonna sleeve all the inserts. Christian Yelich All-Stars. It's not an insert, but I'm gonna sleeve it anyway. John Means, and our auto is
We got...
Bryce Terang. Fireworks.
Holy crap, what a cool card. Those
On
fireworks
to
inserts are so pretty.
Milwaukee. It is not hollow, but still a really cool card, and it's a sticker auto. Fireworks, Bryce Terang. And that's the John Means. Very nice. Yeah, so there you go for Taylor. Nice hit, man.
Yeah, nice shit, Taylor.
Sleeve it, top load it for you real quick. There you go. Double smiles, Taylor. Double smiles. There you go.
Pretty sexy.
Very sex. Very sex. The juice is loose. Trey Turner base. We got a Marcus Simeon Diamond Kings hollow. Miguel Cabrera stained glass. These are really cool inserts. Bowman needs to step it up. Justin Dunn rated rookie. If any of you guys are pretty decent fantasy managers, I've got pretty much the most realistic fantasy league you've ever been in your life. It's going to have a couple openings this year. Just reach out, let me know. Like to have some like-minded individuals in there with us. So there's a Jorge Soler base, Rizzo. Got a Glaber Torres hollow stained glass insert. Beautiful.
That is pretty.
And Alex Bregman Diamond Kings.
Those Diamond King cards, anything retro like that.
Yeah, that's why I really like those. The '86 throwback ones. Those are awesome.
Cool concept, cool.
Looks like we got another insert here. Cool. Nick Senzel, Jose Altuve, and a Juan Soto mythical. It's not hollow. It's just a mythical insert, but very cool. And Patrick Sandoval rated rookie. Marcus Simeon base, Ramon Laureano base, Dave Winfield 86 insert, going to the Yanks, and a Jalen Davis rated rookie. Let's see, we're almost through. This is the second box worth of packs. We're almost through here.
We still got an ass load to go.
Yeah, still got 3 more boxes worth to open. There's a Ozzie Albies hollow. Here's another Jason Dominguez rated prospect. And a Shane Bieber Diamond Kings. Last pack of box number 2. And we're saving all the bonus packs for the very end. Let's see, in the mega boxes, in these mega boxes anyway, these are the Carolina blue and whites in the bonus packs. It's Jeff McNeil, Adalberto Mondesi, Wade Boggs 86, and Sheldon Noisy rated rookie.
I disagree.
Same. Alright, about to start box number 3. Adbert Alzolay, rated rookie. Tony Gonsolin, rated rookie. Christian Pache, hollow, rated prospect insert. Finally got the call. Didn't get to watch the Braves game last night. Hope he finally got some run. Mike Soroka. Hope his buddy Drew Waters gets the call sometime soon. There's a Fernando on the back. Nice. Eugenio Suarez, Diamond Kings. Dustin May, rated rookie. Yoshitomo Setsugo, stained glass. Fernando Tatis. That's a base. I'm going to leave it for you anyway.
Fernando Tits.
Insane. Single-handedly carrying that rebuild team I've got.
Oh, that's nice.
Single-handedly.
The key to that is finding a player, a team in the league who will trade you that type of player. Some idiot named Drew.
Oh, did you trade me him?
You probably picked him up, and I'm just giving myself credit
I don't
for
know.
shit I don't really heard.
Edwin Rios, rated rookie. Lance Lynn, Diamond Kings.
Lance Lynn.
Alan Trammell,
Are you for real?
Donruss 86. So that's that 86 insert.
That's pretty.
On the original 86, where it's white up there, was blue.
Blue, yeah.
Very
I've
cool
got a bunch of
card.
the 86
Oh, for real?
Donruss. Oh, yeah.
Neat.
Man, I've got a ton of 80s jump cards.
80s jump cards, yeah. Let's see, sleeve that in. Freeman base. All right. I'll try to speed it up here a little bit, guys. Okay, we got the auto here. All right, I'm gonna Aristides Aquino, the rookies insert, Aaron Nola base, Javier Baez Diamond Kings, and Mike Zunino 86 Donruss auto.
Wow.
Mike Zunino looks like he may put his number down there. It's a sticker auto.
Sexy.
Very cool. Mike Zunino, one of the hottest prospects in baseball 8 years ago.
He sure was, wasn't
He sure was. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera, guys. All right, Mike Zunino. It's not numbered. That's just the base version of that card. It's
Very
still
cool.
really cool. I'll sleeve that up for you.
A Zuninato.
Then,
Zuninato.
Tyler, are you still on? Did you get the raise? You typically do. I can't remember if you got them last night or not.
Neither Ryan nor Taylor got the raise. So perhaps Big Jack Daddy did get the Big Jack Zuni. No.
Zuno.
Zoop already know what it is.
Tyler Jackson did get the raise, so Tyler's gotten 2 autos so far.
Tyler said, I did, hee hee. I like his little giggle. I love that little giggle.
Tyler and I, as well as a couple of our other good friends, got to go to the Mid-South Sports Card Show last weekend in Memphis, Tennessee. Well, Cordova, Tennessee. That was pretty cool. Ton of people there.
I heard, and I have to verify this, that Matt Stombaugh got thrown out of the show for public nudity. Is that the case?
That was me.
Oh, my bad.
Sorry.
I knew I read the report.
Sorry.
Didn't know the full.
Trent Grisham rated rookie. I'm going to sleeve that for you. He's been doing pretty good this year. I'll
Yeah,
sleeve that
Grisham's
even
had a
though
good
it's
year.
base. Ronald Acuna Jr. hollow.
Cooney.
Very cool. Nate Pearson. Poor guy. I hope. Is he going to have Tommy John?
They haven't said yet. I haven't read.
I hope
read
not.
anything today, but yeah, it's
Poor guy.
bad. It's bad. He's definitely out the rest of the season.
Dang. Yeah, Shane Bieber base. I hate that.
I hate it for him too. That's just bad for baseball, you know.
Absolutely.
It's exciting when players. We're getting all these nice kids to come up that we're getting to watch play finally, and
Yeah.
you know, it's very unfortunate that they're getting hurt in the way they are. So.
Yeah. Logan Allard rated rook. Let's see. Ison Diaz rated rookie. Hollow. Yoshitomo Tsugo, the rookies insert. And Jack Flaherty base. We got 2 packs left out of this box. This is the 3rd box that we're opening right now. It is
Yeah,
a
a
lot
lot
of
of
cards.
cards left to go, guys. There could be some cool stuff still to pop off.
There's an AJ Puck rated rookie. He's been on the IL. Hopefully he can come back this year. Michael King, Yankees. There's a Francisco Lindor mythical insert.
When you say things like
And Max
mythical,
Scherzer.
I imagine that it's going to be like the most badass card in the set. So
Here.
they named these cards well. That means
It's pretty
badass.
cool. All right, last pack of box number 3.
It is pretty sweet, as advertised.
Brian Anderson. Oh, we got a Michael King refractor. I'm sorry, hollow rated rookie. It's got it's like a little smudge on there. I'll get a cloth and try to clean that for you, see if it comes off.
There's the smushness.
Joey Votto Illusions.
Cool card.
It's the base version of that. And Tim Anderson. All right, starting box number 4.
You know what I forgot about?
What's that?
We've still got those 5 Big Daddy packs in the back.
We do.
I forgot about those. That's going to be fun to see, too.
Buster not going to play this year. Posey.
Congrats on the new twins, Buster.
Yeah. Congrats.
I know you're watching.
And congratulations, Chadwick Trump.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Trump 2020.
Trump. Wait. Kyle Lewis rated rookie. On sleeve that for you. He's a killer. Yoshitomo Satsugo rookie. Or the rookies. I'm sorry. The rookies insert. And Anthony Rendon base. Rico Garcia rated rookie. There's a Paul Goldschmidt hollow. Javier Baez mythical. And Josh Donaldson base. Should be coming upon the auto in the next pack or two. Sugo rookie, Mike Trout Diamond Kings. I'll sleeve that up. C.J. Abrams hollow rated prospect. Nice pull, San Diego. Starling Marte in red is the strangest thing I've ever seen.
That is so
It's
weird.
so weird. So weird. Jesus Luzardo rookie. Oh, it's the auto, so we'll put that in the back. Okay. Jacob deGrom Illusions insert. Not hollow. Jose Abreu veteran. Jesus Luzardo rated rookie, and our auto is Josh James from Houston.
Ooh, neat.
Optic autographs. It's a sticker auto. Looks like the signature came off the card, or off the sticker a little bit there. Still a nice simple signature. And that's just the plain version of that, not numbered. Alright.
He has a very
Nice
simple,
hit for Houston
very
there.
nice aesthetic autograph.
Yeah.
JJ. Dynamite. Anybody watching this, feel free to just tell me to shut up.
Nah. Makes it fun. Thank you, Fred, once again. Okay, Tyler got the Astros also. Tyler Jackson, killing. Tyler, you got like 5 teams, man. Who all did you get? Rays, Cardinals, Astros. I don't think you got the White Sox.
Probably the Pirates. I think so.
I think you got Baltimore too, Tyler. Is that right? There you go. Got that sleeved and loaded. Gonna be a thick package headed Tyler's way. Got the Yankees too, so thank you. Man. Jorge Soler, Diamond Kings. Chris Bryant, stained glass. And Jose Altuve.
No words for you. He starts playing.
Jose, don't take my jersey off, Altuve. Yash Rojas.
Yash.
There's a Tony Gonsolin. Hollow rated rookie. Nice.
That's like me some Gonzo.
There's a George Brett 86.
I like they're getting your handwork oven today with this pack.
Yeah. Oh, you should have seen the tops 2 break.
Was it
Oh,
crazy?
that was terrible.
Upside down.
Just
upside up.
one turn this way, one turn the other way. It was
One
I will
backwards, one
I will
backwards.
never open that again. That was
Wow,
so
okay.
bad. Well, maybe next year, but maybe the 2021 version.
Can't promise it. Can't make any friends.
Not only that, it took forever because there were 1,000 cards in that break.
Jeez.
took
A
forever.
lot of titty hitties in this one so far, you guys.
Absolutely. What is that? Aristides Aquino rookie.
Aristides Aquino. Who we got here?
Nelly Cruz Diamond Kings.
Oh, my boy.
There is a hollow Dale Murphy 86 Atlanta, not Philadelphia.
Curious who got the Braves in this break.
Yeah, I don't know, man. They didn't chime in, so I'm not sure.
Curious.
And Ramon Laureano.
That's my favorite joke.
Really?
Yes. When the cards is, oh, who got the Braves?
It is always the same person, it seems like.
It seems like.
Jordan Alvarez rated rookie.
We appreciate his patronage.
I believe the Astros. Oh, no, sorry, that's Tyler. He just told us. Just pulled us Josh James there. Okay. So there you go. I'll sleeve that for you, Tyler. Jonathan Daza, rated rookie. Christian Pache, red prospect insert. And Alex Bregman. All right.
Did we get the call the other day that Pache was coming up?
Yeah, Pache's been up this week.
Holy moly.
Yep, I haven't had a chance to watch a single game of his yet.
That's right.
All right, we're starting the last box, 5 boxes, and this is the last box worth of packs here. And then we'll hit those bonus packs. Dylan Cease rookie, TJ Zoosh, Vlad Guerrero Jr. mythical.
Ooh, I love it.
It's not hollow, nice nonetheless. Ozzy Albies base. Bryce Harper Diamond Kings. Hollow AJ Puck rated rookie. Whit Merrifield Illusions. Tyler Jackson says Pache went 4 for 4 with 4 grand slams, all on 3-0 counts last night. It was crazy. Makes sense because the Braves did blast some Philly ass last night.
Ass
Over
blasters. All I see on Pirates' bench. No surprise there, Tyler. Don't
yeah,
get me started.
for real. Oh, I'm just glad Ender Inciarte is not going to be our starting center fielder for at least a week. Danny Mendick, rookie. Brian Abreu, rookie. And there's a hollow Javier Baez mythical. Nice one. Manny Machado base. Again, we're in the last box worth now, and then we're going to hit the bonus packs at the end. As well as do a nice little recap for you. Let's see, is this the... no, okay. Sean Murphy, rookie. Trace Barrera, Washington, rated rookie. Wander Franco, rated prospect. Gonna sleeve it. And George Springer base. Should have the last autograph of this of the break here in this pack.
And I'm excited, personally. Me personally, I think it's going to be good.
Okay, no, not this pack, sorry. Rafael Devers Diamond Kings. There's a Cody Bellinger hollow. Don Mattingly, 86 Donruss insert.
Whoa.
And Willie Calhoun. No. Is this? No, I hope the auto's in this pack. We're getting down. We've only got 2 packs left from just the plain, from like the regular packs. I'm gonna be so pissed if we got the one box that doesn't have the auto in it.
You know, I still have good feelings here. I have good.
Anthony K. rookie. There is a hollow Illusions. Jacob deGrom. And Joey Votto. 2 packs left. 2 base packs left. Ah, here we go. Okay. Whew. Worried me. All right. Trey Mancini stained glass. Brandon Lau base. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Diamond Kings, and Evan White fireworks.
Ooh, that's cool.
Seattle. That is a sticker auto. Yeah, I'll see that one. That's pretty nice.
I agree. That card's going to stick around in someone's heart for a long time.
Alright, give it a second to sleeve it up. Cool. Okay. There you go, Seattle. Nice hit.
Yes, impressive. I like it. Don't listen to what Kyle said about it. I think it's cool.
Kyle knows his stuff, so.
He does. You know, Kyle is
There's a Javier Baez All-Stars. Kirby Puckett, Donruss, and Kevin Biggio. Alright, now we got 5 bonus packs. Man, these are thick. I think it said these are 8-card packs. Yeah, let's see. Excited to see these. I haven't gotten to see the Carolina. Very cool. Okay. So these are the Carolina blue and white. So there's a Javier Baez, Max Scherzer, Tim Anderson, Lance Lynn, Diamond Kings,
love me some
Grisham, rated rookie.
Grish.
All these are getting sleeved. And Logan Allen.
Those are Carolina blue. Is
Carolina blue, yep.
Very cool. This is a good book.
Aaron Nola.
Try to focus on the Aaron Nola and she'll always be happy.
Ozzie Albies. Elvion Drews. Manny Machado. Bryce Harper.
Yo.
Danny Mendick. Brian Abreu. And Marcus Simeon. Alright, we got 3 packs of these left. Bryce Harper base. Paul Goldschmidt. Charlie Blackmon. Justin Verlander.
Hey.
Adbert Alzolay. Tony Gunn. Eugenio Suarez. And Dustin May. Be cool. 2 packs. Fernando Tatis Jr. Very nice.
That was a cool card. And the Carolina blue could be a valuable card.
Very nice. Freddie Freeman. Shane Biebs.
I was like,
Flaherty.
baby. Oh.
What's that creepy video he made?
Oh,
Sing that song.
Yummy.
Yeah, yummy.
You got that yummy.
That was a real creepy
That
video.
was a creepy video.
Javier Baez, Dylan Zooch. Switch. Yeah, Zooch sounds better.
Zooch.
Alright, last pack, and then we'll do a recap. Gleyber Torres, Trey Mancini,
Trey Mancini.
Miguel Cabrera, Diamond Kings, Ronald Acuna Jr. All-Stars. Very nice. Andres Poor Guy Munoz.
Poor guy.
And Zach Gallen. Alright, so that's all the cards. Give me a sec. I'm not going to run back through the Carolina Blues because we just looked at all those. Give me a sec and let me sort through. Let's see, sort through these inserts. Yeah, I'll just fly through all those real quick for you. Hit the autos. Let's see. Kirby Puckett. Set that off for you. Trey Mancini stained glass. Got the hollow illusions. Mattingly 86. Bellinger hollow. Franco insert. Hollow mythical insert for Baez.
I like those mythical cards a
Me
lot.
too. Illusions,
Mythical cards is a
Merrifield.
general thing. They've had good inserts this year.
Very cool ones, indeed. Puck hollow. Vlad Jr. insert. Pache rated prospect insert. There's just the Alvarez rookie. Set that off because I'm going to take care of that for you. Dale Murphy hollow 86. George Brett 86. Gonsolin hollow. Bryant stained glass. DeGrom illusions. Abrams hollow rated prospect. Trout diamond, that's just a base, but it's Trout. I'll just leave it up. Baez mythical. Goldschmidt hollow. Satsugo rookies insert. Kyle Lewis rated rookie. Votto illusions. Michael King hollow rated rookie. Lindor mythical. Satsugo hollow. Pearson prospect rated prospect. Grisham rated rookie. Kino the rookies insert. Trammell 86. That's a Tatis Jr. base. Sleeve it up anyway. Satsugo stained glass. Hollow Christian Pache prospect. Wade Boggs 86. Dominguez rated prospect. Ozzy Albies hollow. Winfield 86.
Dave Winfield?
Yep,
Whoa.
pretty cool. One Soto mythical. And hollow stained glass. One more little stack of inserts and cool stuff here. And then we'll do the autos, and then that'll be it. Cabrera stained glass. Marcus Semien hollow Diamond Kings. Yelich All Stars. Bobby Witt Jr. prospect insert. Hollow Austin Meadows illusions. Keston Hira illusions. Chris Bryant hollow stained glass. Dylan Cease rookies insert. Hollow Brian Anderson Diamond Kings. Acuna All Stars. Another Dominguez rated prospect insert. Joey Bart rated prospect insert. George Brett hollow 86.
What a cool veteran. cards.
Tatis Jr. Yeah, Tatis Jr. Diamond Kings. There are some cool veterans in here. There's Burt Blyleven 86. Jorge Polanco hollow. And Bo Bichette stained glass. And then your autos. Evan White for Seattle sticker. Josh James Houston sticker. Mike Zunino 86 sticker auto. Bryce Terang for Milwaukee Fireworks. And Paul DeJong highlights on card auto and numbered out of 35.
What a hit.
Very cool card. Very cool.
That's some cool shit.
Cool stuff, guys. Thank y'all for joining us for this. Like I said, we've got a Prism break ending tonight on eBay that will break tomorrow, so check us out. I think that's check that out. Make sure you know tomorrow also that we'll be breaking next weekend. Again, thank y'all for checking us out. Thank you for joining us, and I will get these in the mail to you as soon as possible. Thank y'all.
Bye, everybody.
See ya.